So what's going on, everyone? Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a good day, night, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Sorry I haven't been posting for a while. It's because school started, driver license, a lot of stuff happened throughout these past weeks. I haven't posted, but for this restoration I have these cherry low 11s, right? I believe, yeah, but you can check out its uppers. They're very, very dirty. Has lots of dirt on its mesh. Its patent leather is real dirty, so we'll give this a nice cleaning with Rejuvenator. I'll show you guys how I'll do that. So without further ado, I don't know what further means, so let's get right into this process. So one of the materials you will need is Rejuvenator's Ultimate Sneaker Cleaner. This comes with 3 brushes, a bottle of sneaker solution. It comes with 3 different brushes: all-purpose brush, a sole brush, and a suede brush. Check it out. I think it's pretty worth it. It goes from like $30 to $35, I believe. So my next step to the process would be taking these laces off. So let's get right into it. So my next step would be inserting these shoe trees. So you would want to adjust it where it perfectly fits in the shoe. So my next step would be using a Tupperware filled with water, Rejuvenator sneaker solution, and all 3 brushes: suede, sole, and all-purpose. But the first brush we will be using is the all-purpose brush, so you can set these 2 brushes aside. We'll squirt about 2 to 3 squirts in this Tupperware filled with water and get started. So while you're cleaning, you always want to go in circular motions, and you don't want to apply too much pressure. It's just on how long you rub the shoe. So let's get right into it. Once you're done with the all-purpose brush, you're going to get the sole brush and brush off the sole. So let's get right into it. Next, you'll get the suede brush and brush off the mesh. So let's get right into it. So next you want to get Tupperware, the same one, fill it up with some more water. Make sure it's not too dirty. As you can see, it's kind of clear. You want to add 1 squirt of Rejuvenator sneaker solution in it. Then you want to dip the laces in there. Scrub it in there. Make sure it soaks it all up. Damn, these laces is really dirty. Keep scrubbing it in there. You want to take them out and just rub it together to add friction. So next, once you're done with that, you want to get Rejuvenator's laundry bag. You want to open it up. Put these 11s in there. And then you want to just throw these laces in there also. Make sure it's all tight. Screw it on securely. We're going to make a knot right here just in case this little thing that helps it secure it, this knot will make it more secured just in case it loosens up. Do that. And tighten the side up. So for the washer options, you want to make sure it's small, cold, and we will make this a light wash on regular. Then you want to turn it on. Drop the shoes in there. And add about half a cup of laundry detergent. That's a little too much, but around there, pour it in. So once you're done washing them in the laundry, you're going to take them out the bag and check them out. These laces are super white, whiter than before. So as this mesh is wet, as you can see, so it'll look kind of dark. But once it's fully dry, this thing will look whiter than ever. So give that a full 24-hour dry span, then I'll get back with you guys. So the next step to this restoration is regluing this toe cap that has been falling apart. So the first thing we will do is tape the areas we don't need glue on. So let's get right into it. So once that's done, taped all around, you will get barge cement. I have mine in a little bottle so I can have a little easier way to apply glue on. So I'm going to put it in there. Just like that. Next you will need a heat gun. And just let it heat up so it can stick easier together. Once you're done heating that up, just going to apply pressure to it. You're going to wipe off the excess glue. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked this video. This restoration came out as I expected. These shoes came really coke white. Check them out. The uppers are really white. The laces turned really white because they were really dirty than before. The mesh turned extremely white. Uppers are nice. Sole came out pretty nice. Hope you guys liked it. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot, but I'll get to that. I'll be posting a lot more in the future because school started, but I have my schedule all set up now from here to there. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked this restoration video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends as usual. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Sneaker Kid in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.